you can see, you got a good amount of space. It's an alcove studio. And usually with the alcove, it means it's a little bit larger than what your typical studio would be. And like I said, you got a good amount of space here. I think it matches the space of the unit that we saw on 71st almost. Not quite, but still gives it a pretty good run for its money. It's on the 3rd floor. And like I say, it's even further down. So, you know, everything would be walking distance for you right here in the heart of everything. Yeah, so I think this is also a good closet space here too. So I think this is another good option. I think it gives you 2 more options that are a little bit further down. It give you some more flexibility. So yeah, let me know what you think. I think this is a good option as well. So awesome.